At Finite State, we employ a number of experts across a host of domains. Not are we just pen testers, but we have some folks that have spent many years in industry, and they have really cut their teeth in those industries and have been in the trenches and know where the skeletons are buried and which closets they're in, to use the spooky Halloween theme, right? Uh, they know where the problems exist, and we can absolutely help you as part of your strategy with our strategic advisory services. Engage with our folks to help you figure out where your skeletons are, help you get access to other industry experts, leverage our connections into various legal battles, legal advice, um, industry folks that have also been in some of those same challenges, so that we can help you build better programs.